This ain't your grandma's Kindle. Boox Go Color 7 ePaper is wild. Yes, it's got Android too. Ever feel like your current e-reader's straight up ghosting you? You open it up, excited to dive into your next book binge, and bam! It's monochrome misery, lagging like it's running on hopes and dreams. The screen's dull, the storage is full, and your eyes? They're staging a rebellion. You want color. You want flexibility. You want to install more than just one app from 2014. But nope, your so-called smart reader is more like a prehistoric relic. Sound familiar? It's not you. It's your tech. Let's call it what it is. Digital claustrophobia. Now multiply that frustration by 1,000. You're stuck in a 4-hour airport delay, your e-reader's dead weight, and your phone's too distracting to get real reading done. You want to relax, maybe listen to a few audiobooks, check your notes, or even sketch out ideas, but nope. Your current device said, "Nah fam, good luck with that." Cue the existential dread. Missed reading goals. Ruined vibes. You don't just need a book, you need an experience. A screen that doesn't fry your brain. A tool, not a toy. Something that actually keeps up with your curiosity. Enter the Boox Go Color 7, aka the digital upgrade you didn't know you desperately needed. This isn't your grandma's e-reader. We're talking a 7-inch Kaleido 3-color ePaper display, crisp 300 ppi in black and white, 150 ppi in color, and a buttery smooth Android 12 under the hood. Yeah, Android. It's a tablet disguised as a reader. 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, and a micro SD slot for the overpackers among us. Wanna install Kindle, Libby, Webtoon, or even Spotify? Go nuts. You're no longer chained to one ecosystem. This is freedom in a featherlight 6.9-ounce shell. We're not done flexing. Adjustable warm and cool front lights? Check. Built-in speaker, mic, text-to-speech? Yup. USB-C with OTG and audio jack mode? Of course. And let's not forget the paper-like back texture that feels so organic it might just fool your fingers. Boox isn't just a reader, it's your pocket-sized digital sanctuary. It holds thousands of books, fits in your bag like a notebook, and doesn't throw tantrums if you drop it or spill your overpriced oat milk latte on it. Plus, it looks damn good doing it. Minimalist, breathable, chic. Basically, the future of reading, with style. So here's your moment. Don't let this slide pass like your last unread self-help book. Boox Go Color 7 is built for creators, readers, thinkers, and vibe hunters. Inventory is tight, and trust us, these don't stay on shelves. Thousands are already flipping the page to color ePaper freedom. Why stay grayscale in a full-color world? Click that link, snag yours today, and get ready to read like a rebel. Don't just consume content, live it. Make your reading sexy again. Let's Boox and chill.